Hi, in this video I want to talk about my business journey so far. I guess my first business was started in console modding, where I modded consoles like PlayStation 1, PlayStation 2, and Xbox for other people to play pirated games. And then after a few more hustles, I got into Amazon FBA, and I did everything there. I tried retail arbitrage, where you go to stores and source products. And then I tried wholesaling, where you contact brands and buy in bulk. And then I got into private label, where you source products from like China, and you can alter it and make it your own, or slap your own brand label on it. And then later on I got into selling industrial supplies, things you've probably never seen before unless you've been in the industry. Things like transformers, circuit breakers, HVAC control systems. Sometimes I look at a product and I'm like, what is this thing? What? Yeah, no idea what it is. But it didn't matter. It sold pretty well. I did that for a few years until my place got flooded, and it destroyed most of my inventory. And I decided not to continue with it. Just not worth the hassle, and there was really no creativity in it. I guess private label is still pretty cool because you get to create your own products. But yeah. And now I'm in the tax business and a software business. And we'll see how that goes.